USB docking station gives me so many extra ports. It is a 12-in-1, so it gives me 12 additional ports here. So I'm going to show what it looks like out of the box. It is a Type-C, so it plugs into a Type-C port. So I'm gonna plug it in right here on my laptop. These laptops never come with enough ports, especially if you're trying to hook it up to a monitor, or if you're using this hooked up to a TV. You can sync together multiple devices this way. It's got all the USB ports. You can put an SD and a TF card here. It's got more USB ports here. It has another Type-C port here. It has a DC in port here. It is 100 watts and it transfers files quickly, and it works with 4K HDMI monitors. So you can see your plugs here as well, but it comes with a wall plug, so you can use it that way. And I'm going to show you just what it looks like with my phone plugged in here. So you can plug in and use multiple devices and sync up multiple things at once. Very practical and very useful.